Hey guys, what is up? A very good morning to you all. Fabio here. Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. So this week we're still going to be doing the normal and usual market outlooks. However, from next week onwards, I'm going to be sharing educational videos only. So this is going to be trade breakdowns, my vision on the market, and some special market dynamic videos. So if you want to see anything special, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below. Furthermore, also on my Instagram, I'm going to be doing some mini vlogs, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. Link is also in the description down below. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's see what is going on. Okay guys, so to begin with, of course, the dollar index. So the dollar index has been consolidating, right? So as we can see, yesterday's market outlook, what I was pointing out in yesterday's market outlook was the focus on this 1 hour zone of demand located over here, due to the fact that it broke this area of trend line. So this trend line got broken through this area of demand over here, and then we were traced perfectly back in towards that area of demand, and from there we have seen a push further up in towards the upside. So after that, market just started to consolidate over here with a fake out on the lows. So I do expect a further push up now back towards this area of resistance after grabbing liquidity underneath the lows and tapping in towards demand, because as you can see, fake out on the bottom of the range, which means that buy orders have been picked up and that those sellers have been trapped. So I do expect us to start pushing up higher in towards resistance at about 96.5. So yeah, that's the dollar index for today, just expecting further upside. So let's have a look at Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar, guys, and as we can see, just consolidating a very boring pair for now. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, what would I want to see? Well, as you guys can see, currently demand has just completely been obliterated, but we are just simply consolidating. But yeah, what I would love to see is a pullback back up in towards the highs to look for some potential shorts. However, of course, the dollar index is bullish, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do start pushing down lower. Also, just start filling up this wick over here, as this on the lower time frame is simply just a clean move, and essentially we also still have some demand untouched over here. So yeah, a push in towards that area of demand, maybe just a slow down, pull back up, and then a further push down. Or if we're able to push down through this area of demand, then we'll just be waiting for further downside. However, yeah, recent price action is all the way to the left, so let's just skip out on that and just wait how we react to this area of demand within the market. So yeah, let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar, guys, expecting further downside from euro dollar. Yesterday we had a beautiful area of supply formed over here. I think I mentioned this in yesterday's video. Was waiting for that area of supply to get hit. However, we just missed out on it. If the market still pushes back up higher, then I will be looking for shorts from that area of supply within the market. So yeah, that's euro dollar. Let's over to pound dollar. Pound dollar, so a lot of people took a short on pound dollar yesterday. Beautiful setup over here with a new lower low formed, a breakup structure essentially, and then a tap in towards this area of supply, and then from there a further dump in towards the downside. So what is my expectation? Well, as you guys can see, we broke this swing low over here, created a new lower low. This could potentially be the new lower high, so I am waiting for a further push down, at least in towards previous support, and potentially also filling this wick over here. So I am expecting further downside from pound dollar. So yeah, that's pound dollar. Let's head to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar has been pulling back. As I kind of mentioned in yesterday's video, we had some demand located over here. As you can see, we saw a bullish candle. However, the selling pressure on Kiwi dollar is just too strong for now, it seems. So going back in towards the 1 hour, what can we then see? Well, if we just quickly turn on the basing candles, excuse me, we know that we have demand located over here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a tap in towards that demand zone. Furthermore, we have kind of like this wedge pattern over here, squeezing in towards the downside. So let's see how we react to that area of demand. If we see support forming, we will see a push further up in towards the highs, but it all depends on if we see support forming. So yeah, let's head over to our last pair, which is gold. And gold, guys, so gold is just consolidating pretty much, as you guys can see, in towards the downside. Not much going on, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not a big fan at all of this pair at the moment. As you guys could see on the 1 minute, just a massive downtrend. Furthermore, looking at the overall structure of gold at the moment, yeah, we're just chopping around in this area of demand. But yeah, the longer we chop around in that area of demand, the weaker essentially it is. I am still looking for longs during the month of December, so we'll just have to wait and see once that bullish momentum kicks in and we start seeing some trend switches. For now, yeah, this is essentially just support. Let's see how we test this. We have some demand located over here. So let's see if we can see support forming and start looking for some lower time frame longs back up. So yeah, that's it for gold, and that is it for today, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a fantastic day, guys. Thanks.